Static block. Yeah, static block or initializer. Static block. First of all, how do you write static block? Static. Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, can you repeat that static and non-static thing?
Haven't you revised yesterday?
No, sir, but I
I should
don't.
ask you in the Viva what is
Yes,
static
yes,
and non-static.
yes.
So I
But
think
I don't.
you did not revise.
No, sir, but
Right?
no, sir, but I don't understand that.
So what you didn't understand? Tell me.
What exactly happened when non-stat means why we don't access uh, static members through non-static method?
Yeah. So now see here, I will explain. But the fact is, you did not read yesterday. You did not revise. See, static member, static method cannot access non-static because in order to call static method, you don't have to create object. When you are not created object, non-static members are not allocated. Now those members are not allocated, how can you access? That's why you cannot access. Static method can access non-static. Sorry, non-static method can access static. Non-static method can access static because in order to invoke non-static method, you have to create object. And by that time, static members have been allocated memory. So non-static method can access static members. Yes or no? Yeah. So revision is very important. Huh?
Hello, sir.
Yes. Huh.
Sir, as you said, if we, if we do first time created object or first time use static method of that class, then the class will load. So suppose in that class there is one static member, and if we just print that static member in main, then at that time that class will load or not?
Then also, yes,
Suppose there is
yes.
like a
But
static
yesterday, as
int
I
I.
said, members are एक minute. But as I said, members are usually private.
Yeah, okay.
So there's no way you access class name. But if member is not private,
yes,
and if you can access, say a dot k, k is a static member. So वहाँ पे भी class load होगा.
Okay, that's why I wanted to ask you.
So
okay, thank you.
Yeah. Whether static member or static function.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, you said only static method, and so I asked it.
Because usually we don't access member directly. No?
Right. No, in case if it's not private.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Then also. It's a static block. First of all, how to write? What is the syntax? This is something new. Huh? Static keyword, open and close braces, and then some code. Now, what is static block? Static block is used to access static variables. Now, hold on. Static block is used to access static variables. Okay, but we know that static method is also used to access static variable. Then what is the difference between static method and static block? When static method is also used to access static variable, and you are saying static block is used to access static variable, then what is the difference? Difference is here. Static block gets executed as soon as class gets loaded. So static block is called implicitly, whereas static method you need to call explicitly. Okay, that's the main difference. So static block is executed as soon as class gets loaded. You can define more than one static blocks in the class, as many as you want. You can define more than one static blocks inside class definition. They will be executed in the order in which they are defined. So 1, 2, 3. First static block says I am first. Second says I am second. Third says I am third, for example. So output will be I am first, I am second, I am third. So static block is used to access static variables. How static blocks are different from static method? Static blocks are called automatically or implicitly as soon as class gets loaded. And static method is the one which you need to call explicitly. Call, invoke. And last point is you can define more than one static blocks. They will be executed in the order in which they are defined. Yeah, just spend some time here. Then I will show you examples.